In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a specific portion of your AutoCAD drawing as a separate file. Start by creating a closed boundary around the area you want to keep, using a rectangle, circle, or any suitable closed shape. Next, use the Xtrim command to trim away everything outside the selected boundary, leaving only the desired portion of the drawing. Once the drawing contains only the objects you want to save, type W in the command line and press Enter to launch the right block command. Select the objects, specify a base point, choose a file name, and select a save location. AutoCAD will then create a new DWG file containing only the selected portion of the drawing. This method is useful for sharing project sections, creating reusable details, or organizing large drawings into smaller files. Using descriptive file names will make it easier to manage and locate saved drawing sections later. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting in AutoCAD.